Fuck all you hoes. Get a grip. Don't need to introduce myself. It's that Marley Mayfair shit. Mount Street Marley's. They're asking when I'm quit the trap. I love this shit. 9 AM, T-Pack and Romeo drivers, my Maybach. Marble floors are foreign doors. I told the skipper to slow down in the yacht. I'm getting seasick. I'm in Qatar, getting lit with the Khalijis. Then I like at 18Ks. So I had to go purchase some.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Yo, Wham, it's me, Spider. Call me back, twin. I know you don't like me blowing your phone up like that. Just call me back.
It's popping, chat. Give me a moment for the cam. It's popping, chat. It's popping, chat. I got more energy than yesterday, chat. End of June, mid-June. Probably by mid-June we'll hit it, Teddy. Welcome to this chat, everybody. Let me drop some bombs on you. Chat, low-key today, it's Woo Wednesday. You know what that means. Now we're at 3K a day, Elliot. About 3K a day, chat. All right, what we got planned? We got some shit planned. I was still working here. That's client work. And then I had the other Google open. Yeah, well, the robots aren't working yet, chat, so no robots for now. The robots aren't working. Nice, Sans. Let us know once we're allowed to look at it. W in the chat for Sans for keep shipping projects. And Elliot, what can you get for that, for selling that aura? Sell it. At least you get a test user. Alright, chat. First, let me get organized. Half an hour. Got to catch up with my Fiverr stuff. Let me open my Fiverr profile. You guys know, or you might not know, but yesterday I got a new order on vibe coding. I'm waiting for that to come in. So basically, for those who don't know, I'm a vibe coder. Well, I've had my own agency doing traditional web design, WordPress for the last 25 years, and I've been on Fiverr for the last 3 years. And most recently, I've been selling AI vibe coded websites. This year I've only started. I sold 37 projects, shipped 37 projects. I don't really sell below the premium package, chat, and I've got one order in the queue right now, and I'm still in negotiation with the client, but we'll see what comes out of it. Oh, sorry chat, my mic wasn't close. It should be better now. I don't want to give him too much. I need a bigger residual. All right, Elliot. It's a good build, so keep fine tuning it and make sure you can just skin it. No, I feel you, Elliot. Especially for that. That will save him a lot of work. All right, chat. So you guys know it. Let me get into business for a moment. The videos we seem to be uploading are not working. Can you double check when a tutor makes an account and goes to the onboarding on the profile and uploads a video, what the max size is and the max upload right now? Please keep in mind we are live streaming right now, so don't share any personal details, URLs, star it all out, and if I need to know something I will ask you. Damn chat, I'm not even streaming 5 minutes and y'all already got me spitting like a motherfucker. By the way, can you tell the name of what track? It's called Facts by 6ix9ine. There you go. You can't be saying the N-word, Phoenix. You don't got the pass? Let me get warmed up, chat. I've got a little candy here, some Chinese candy. Let me put you guys in mission control. And this is throat game candy. So let's hope I get my throat game under control, chat. It's Chinese secret medicine, chat. Secret medicine, Elliot. Hopefully I don't got to spit that much. Elliot, did you get deposited your credits, by the way? Because I spoke with Francisco from Replit and he told me it was all good. Let me open Superbase for a moment, chat. This is for a client. Left sidebar, go to storage. I gotta open the project first. Left sidebar, go to storage, settings, and file size limit. $72K, Ian, fastest growing channel on YouTube. I'm not gonna lie, chat. We might not have the most concurrent viewers right now because obviously we've been only building this community for 60 days. But I'm telling you, no cap, we are the fastest growing channel on vibe coding right now. And I think it has to do with the long form and a lot of rebroadcasting that people rewatch the streams, but they're not here live. And I don't know if my timing is the best timing to see if it's a decent time for everybody. Alright, I don't know what that means, Elliot, but I'll check it after the DM. Chat, I want to just run this last part. And once that's ran, give me a second. Okay, chat, so the plan for today is we are going to get some work done on Dollar Vibe Club. Alright, I'll check it after, but did you check the gift part? The gifted credits part? You got a drop down there somewhere. And if not, I'll be on their ass for you. Sansa's already got her prize, obviously, but that's something I could send directly. What's up, Forts? So after this chat, I'm gonna jump into working on the Dollar Vibe Club. And the plan is first to get Claude connected to everything. And once Claude's connected, we can get to work. I just gotta send this email. Alright, so that email is sent. Let me just go back to the to-do list. What is this? Disable, delete user failed. When I tried to delete a user, it failed. You can see the notification in the bottom right. Alright chat, few more minutes and then we're going to get into Dollar Vibe Club. Just running the last client thingies, you know the vibes. Work first, we got to keep the clients happy. We got to keep that 5-star rating, chat. Whoever's new in the chat and hasn't spoken in the chat before, please drop a message. Don't be shy. Oh, shout out to the man, the myth, the legend. Hunter Yip. Damn, that username, maybe you might have to change a bit, Hunter, because it reads very difficult. You need a username that people are gonna be able to type very fast. And then, for example, Hunter Vibes would be even way better. But if you have to explain it like that, it's gonna be very hard to get ranking building. What's up, Real Dean Boy? Welcome. Hunter, figure out if you still can change the YouTube name, because that's kind of an important one, mate. What's Baked OS? Baked OS is an operating system I'm building for myself, Dino boy. And first I'm gonna build it for myself, and it works out good. I'll definitely, if it works out good, I'll open source it. Well, I'll make Hunter Vibes or Hunter Vibe Codes or Hunter Yip XYZ or something in the back, or Hunter DVC. And if you can change it and you're not sure, just wait till we do it off stream, Hunter, because this is kind of the foundation of the marketing that you're gonna do. You can't do any good marketing with Hunter YYIP, like no one's gonna understand that. But make sure you can, don't change the name yet so that we can change it later. And next time try to tap in when you're doing those things, Hunter. It's good to check with each other to do those things, because that saves work in the long run. You guys will see from his perspective soon, chat. He's also still learning. This is his first full year that he'll be running a business as a partner with me. So you guys see it real behind the scenes as an 18-year-old. And he's making it work, chat. So anyway, we'll get that locked in soon. I just want to see if I can pull here. Okay. I'm just gonna pull it here in the Git. Dino boy, what you doing? You vibe coding anything, Dino boy? I know you're the real Dino boy. Anybody who come in with just regular Dino? What is your goals? What is your goal for trying to achieve with Baked? What's your goal? My personal feature with Baked OS is so that I can run the streaming business and that I can run my agents all from one screen. I work with multiple machines here offline. I'll put you guys in mission control. You are in mission control. Alright, so I work with multiple local machines. And the idea is to get them all synced into one dashboard that I can use from glasses or virtual headset. And that's what I'm working on for myself personally. But today, we're going to be building the Dollar Vibe Club. I've got some shit to build here. And I want to change some things around to the first experience for you guys. But first I got to connect it up. All right. I guess you guys wanted to see the submissions. So I should make that, I'll change that around soon. Let me first just do this one client thingy. Damn, that candy was good and I'm not spitting anymore, chat. Let me have one more. Then I'll smoke some. And then we'll get to work. Okay, just publishing my client's project here. What's up, Jacob? Welcome to the stream, homie. Good to see you. I've been missing you a few days, homie. Hope you're doing all good, man. Hope you're doing all good. Alright, let me first get into it. We're gonna open a new session. You can stand by. We're gonna work on a new project in a few. Alright. Nice, nice. So you are vibing if you built that already. Only I would say watch my 24-hour stream because I did a clash of the vibe coding platforms, and right now for the same price Replit is better than Lovable. Nah, Jacob, I don't want to sound harsh, but you letting yourself down, man. Fiverr has nothing to do with it. It cannot be that it works for other people and not for you. That means there's a glitch in the system on your end and not on the system of Fiverr. And that's just my honest opinion. We will do Fiverr review profiles on Friday. And I'll drop a message in the chat for everybody to get their profile ready. But trust me when I say, it ain't Fiverr, homie. I got another order just came in. A big vibe code project for another school. So chat, I ain't gonna lie, like. And that means locking in. It means locking in. I probably could go right to your profile right now, Jacob, and I probably could find some things that are not even good yet. I probably could even ask you, Jacob, did you upload a video to your profile? Seeing as nothing came in from orders this week, did you make a 1-minute video and upload it to your profile? And that question will let us know a lot, whether Fiverr's letting you down or you letting Fiverr down type shit, you know what I mean? And I'm just, don't want to hurt any feelings, I'm just being real with you, you know what I mean, Jacob. Hunter's starting his journey and he's gonna start doing Fiverr in public next week, so it might be better for you to follow his profile because he's more your age and he has a different approach maybe. But he does follow my blueprint and that's the reason he's successful on Fiverr right now, to be honest, chat. Alright, enough yapping. Well, you just saying that? Nah, I doubt the video does anything. That just shows that you don't know what you're doing, Jacob. Because that video does a lot more. That video will put you in a class to show Fiverr that you're real. That video is a ultimate lifeline you throw in when you're not catching anything. And again, I can go to the Discord group and I've got other people that have been making dough on Fiverr. So you go to the freelance group and you go to Internet Money. This is me, couple of payouts. This is from Dennis. He just got his second order in from $500. So he's from Belgium, also European region. You've got his first order was a small order from $35. I already told you, Jacob, everybody has friends and family. If you give them $50 to invest in you and you can deliver them a service on Fiverr as a real service, that's your first order. That's all those things I've told you time and time again. I'm sure Skilly's told you as well. But it's locking in, man. It's easy to say, the platform doesn't work, you know what I mean? That's easy to say, chat. But I wouldn't be where I am today if I would say, the platform doesn't work. Like, any platform we work in works, chat. Like, you gotta make it work. The platform ain't gonna work for you. Why you? Answer me that question. Why should it give you orders out of nothing? If you can't even make a video, for example. Anyway, I'm just being harsh, Jacob, because I know you're young blood and I want you to be successful. So go get it, homie. Alright, let me just bookmark a few things. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. I mean, Skilly don't got a video, man. Well, he doesn't need a video because he's already past that point. He already had orders because he had a different approach and he started orders. So he's already at his 25th order. You can't compare yourself to him. He doesn't need that video. He's got orders and the money's coming in and the Fiverr account's working. So that's my debate to that. And Hunter, aka Skilly, now that you are going to stream, it's also not a bad idea for you to make a video once you get there, because that's going to mean more clients. It's that simple, chat. Well, Jacob, give up then. Delete the profile. Delete the profile, Jacob, trust me. But I feel you, man. I don't know what else to say, so I'm not going to continue on about it. But Freelance Friday, I'll do some Fiverr reviews on Friday. But now I'm going to get to work on the Dollar Vibe Club, chat. I want to see. Alright, this is the first thing people see, the dashboard. Alright, so I'm gonna load it up with the details, chat. Give me a minute. Got all the logins. Great. Here is a full project rundown. I need you to make sure you can connect on all fronts, but I need you to make sure you don't share any sensitive information in this chat session because we are live streaming right now. Just give me a green check mark if you can connect to everything. I ain't gonna say anything anymore, Quad, but you're talking about like you know the platform inside and out and you've barely done your first sale on it. So again, I would say stop talking and start educating yourself. And that's all I can say, Jacob. Lock in, man. Go to fiverr.com and go to the FAQ page and start learning. That's all I can say. It's gonna be your biggest success if you put in the time and don't look at it from a negative energy. Everything that you type in here is negativity towards Fiverr. That means the universe ain't gonna give you nothing. Nah, Jacob. Nah. My course doesn't say put a Fiverr profile active and you'll be a billionaire. My course doesn't say that, Jacob. My course says you have to put in the work, you have to connect your first friends and family. Have you got no one that can do around you that needs the logo for $20? You've got no one that you know that you can give help a service for $20 to get your first order going. Like, that's what's in my course. So again, approach it with a fact that it's your fault, and then you'll find solutions faster than saying, oh no, it's Fiverr's fault. No, organic traffic is part of it. You can't just rely on it. It's like a website. I can't just go on Google and say, oh, I'll sit at home, do nothing, jack off all day and get visitors. It doesn't work like that, Jacob. I don't know what else to say, man. I don't want to sound like a dick today, but I feel like we've been talking about it too long. I'm trying to explain you that mindset is your problem here. And negativity brings you negativity. If you keep complaining that Fiverr's never going to give you views, trust me, the universe is going to give you exactly what you asked for. And that's as simple as it is, man. You can't say the things you say to me when I'm getting thousands of views a day. Like, I don't know what you still want to debate about, but... Anyway, Jacob, you're young blood. I'm double your age, so don't worry. I'm an old fella. My way is just a simple blueprint. It's a simple blueprint. It's like building a house. You could go and build a house today, or you could listen to an architect and he'll tell you how to do it. And if you say, nah, fuck that, man, I'ma just do it, and then I wish you good luck, man. Like, I feel you, Jacob. I feel you, man. I feel you. All right, chat. Let's clap it up. Not to be negative. Sometimes it's hard, chat. Sometimes it's hard to listen to business advice because it's no point for me to telling him, oh yeah, it will work, Jacob. You just hold on. You keep holding on, Jacob. You're gonna make it. Like, that's just dickhead advice in my book. Like, I can baby him and I can be friendly to him and not hurt his feelings, but I ain't got time for that, chat. Like, just to be really honest. All right, let's get to building, chat. Okay, this is the first dashboard view that the user lands on when they visit Dollar Vibe Club. I need you to open a browser and actually use the demo logins to test that, identify it. And then the first idea is that we're going to update this card with useful information. Don't do anything yet, just give me some feedback points and if everything's clear. All right, chat. Let me get something going, cause Jacob kind of brought the mood down, man. I ain't gonna lie. Let's get to work. Preview on $vibeclub.com. Student and vibe coder. I would keep the username and the hey, maybe freshen it up with different, more vibe codey vibes. I will for sure keep the profile picture in the center. I'm gonna see if I can play some skilly, chat. No, Ian, it's fully linked to built. The foundation is built and hosted on Replit. The database is done on Supabase, and the repository is set in GitHub. So it's fully done via that, and I'm using now Claude to just go in and surgically build out elements without having to burn Replit credits right now. And then basically every time I'll just pull it back into Replit, the latest version, republish it, test it. And if that works good, we continue on. All right, chat sent. Nah, Jacob, no problem, man, you're good. Nah, I feel you, man. No problem, man. Everybody has their days, Jacob. As long as you recognize it yourself, man, then you're a step closer to getting to your end goal. And that's the same I explained to my nephew. And like I said from day one, Jacob, I'll treat you like my nephew. And I'll give you the harsh, just speak my thoughts, you know what I mean? And it's only about things I know, Jacob. I don't know anything about other things, about geography, biology, and all that shit doesn't interest me. But I know. And maybe we should look at it from another angle, Jacob. Maybe we should look at it from another angle. I was looking at, I was thinking actually about you, only I didn't see you a few days, so I thought you might be busy. But I was actually thinking about you for getting the GTA server going soon. Because I did some gaming on this channel and that gaming video really smashed it. So I kind of want to do some gaming once a week on the channel so that I can get some gaming topics going, let's say. So maybe we should talk about that, Jacob, how you can get that going and how we can turn that into something. At first, I'm thinking about getting a Nitrado hosting for games, and I can host up to 5 games on it, Nitrado. Right now I'm working on the $Vibe Club, chat. Well, I'm not working on it, the AI is working on it. I'm just orchestrating it. But we're working on our own community, Ritesh. Now I'm gonna start this week putting time into our own project fully, just to gear up for June, so that we can actually get things going. And Jacob's not the only one. I noticed in the Discord a lot of people are struggling with certain things. So let's hope that this new way of learning gets everybody in the right direction. Alright, well, look into the brand Nitrado. That's probably the one I'm gonna get. And then we're probably gonna run a 5M. And based on that 5M, then we probably would whitelist it. People would have to have whitelist to access it. But first, get your work done. Try to get your CoWork done with Fiverr and ask it positive questions and see how you can improve. Get that video going. I feel like you're a confident dude on the camera. Just speak into the camera. Get the video going. Streak definition. Actually, you can skip this for now because I have a current ranking already, so maybe I'll feed you in those points later. I'm vibe coding chat, just getting Claude to do some things. At the same time, let me take a puff. That might chill things down a bit, chat. Let me take a puff. I actually don't want to make it shorter. I want to keep the size exactly the same as it is. I just want to fill up the white space with our new modules. I don't want any emojis or shit like that in it. Either flat icons that match the theme, but no emojis. Maybe for the data for now, put a comment soon, and I will transfer the current leaderboard and points that we have. What's up, Solid? Welcome to the stream, homie. Well, you're probably feeling mad. It's called sadness, quad. It's called sadness. If you're not happy, then all that rest of it comes. It's called sadness, man. You gotta snap yourself out of it. And the hardest part is, and I'll be really honest, Jacob, is nobody's gonna help you with that. You really gotta push yourself and forget everything around you if you can. No, I don't. How do I do that? No, I think it's my stream that's delaying or not. Alright, let me figure out how I can do that, chat. Do we know how that works, chat? How do I set that? I would have to figure it out. But I know there's a delay indeed. I know there's a delay. I don't know how to do that, Solid, so... I'm a new YouTuber. I'm a new streamer, chat. Let's put it that way. I would love to get it instant again. Let me ask OpenAI, chat. When in doubt, ask OpenAI. Chat, I'm streaming every day on YouTube, and before my chat messages were instant, but now it's taking like 30-40 seconds before it comes to the chat. How can we do that? Oh, I'm no more AI pro, chat. I should go pro soon again with OpenAI. It's when you start the stream in Streamlabs. What's up, Cassie? Alright, I'm not sure what is going on with that, chat. All those technical things I will have to check. That's above my pay grade, but I'll ask AI. Before going live, go live, manage stream. Alright, that will be for tomorrow, chat. I will have to check that tomorrow. That seems too complicated for now, type vibe. How do I get the code base to make the edit? Connect to Replit. You should be able to connect to the GitHub and everything should be in GitHub, no? And then you should do all the edits in GitHub. Once you're done, I pull it into Replit and republish it from there. And any changes you may need to make to Supabase, you can load directly into Supabase, correct? Alright, I don't know, man. I really don't know, chat. I really don't know how to do that. I'll have to figure it out soon, chat. Let's hope it gets ultra low. Ah, I see it here, chat. Latency. I see it here. I see it here, chat. But that's all good. When I leak something, I can cancel. I want you to make sure that when you do any code... Oh. I want you to push it into the main so that... I want you to push it into the main so that when I pull it, it's just one click. And I always want you to make sure before you do anything that you don't change anything about the registration flow or the claim account flow, because that is all working perfectly and I want to continue allowing users to join. Alright, chat, tomorrow I'll get the latency going. I might be back after chat with a Project Zomboid stream, and then I'm gonna game some Zomboid just because I want to chill out a bit. I've also have a bit stress on my head, so sorry Quad if I was a bit too harsh. I apologize as well, homie. I respect you for coming back to the chat, man. I really do. Shout out to you. Yep, Ritesh, I'm adding the Claude Agent SDK, Ritesh. But there will be some clauses. If you want to use it heavily, you'll have to bring your own keys. But agent coming. So yeah, if anybody's got Project Zomboid, let me know, because I'll have a server for 10 slots. And it's going to be a vanilla server first until I get some actual server moderators in it. Alright, Jacob. I hope things turn around for you soon. Yeah, the site is live. You can join already, Ritesh. It's $vibeclub.com. And for now, there's not a lot going on because we're building it every day live on stream, Ritesh. And as I said, the foundation of my project is Replit. GitHub is my island, and I put my agents to work. I worked with Cursor recently. Codex has just been cancelled, so I'll continue working with Claude and probably Claude Code. What's up today? Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's a vibe code Wednesday today. Talking with Quad a bit, but a vibe code Wednesday at the same time. For sure, shout out Phoenix for dropping the Discord. Let me actually log into my Replit account, chat, then I can show you guys. You can go to the $Vibe Club at Ritesh and join up. It's going to be a community learning CoWork platform. And we're going to teach people how to learn and how to earn. That's going to be my driving mission. What would you suggest, Jacob, as a good server provider? Give me one name. Give me one name. I'm gonna change my profile picture as well. Boom. Boom diggity. I personally wouldn't go. Uploading via external software is really long. Having a Windows interface via VPS is 100% better. Skill host. Let me see what skill host is, chat. I've never heard from that. Ah, it's Icelandic, I guess. But here you have to do all the setup yourself. Isn't that harder, chat? Look, if I look at this, it's a one-click solution, and the first game I'll probably launch is Zomboid. Look, all you do here is click and boom. What's he saying? Push commit on main. When you're ready, pull it to Replit, preview. In that same dashboard banner, I would like the user to be able to change the main dashboard cover image to their custom image. Each user should be able to have their own custom image. But if they don't change it, the default image always stays that we have now. Let me just get it here. What does RDP stand for, Jacob? That says that means nothing to me. Educate me. Educate me. Let me turn on some AC, chat. Alright, no, it didn't pull. Also, I did a recent pull and it's not pulling anything from the most recent changes in the main. Alright, remote desktop connection, nice. I'm trying to pull it, but I'll sync these changes maybe first. I'm not able to log in. What do you mean by that, Ritesh? You don't have an account, or if that's the case, okay then, but do you have an account and can't you log in? Because you should be able to log in. Ritesh, I actually chose very clearly not to do that. That's a very clear goal, because right now the only people I want to onboard are people that watch the stream, and if they go to $Vibe Club, they should know what it is by now. Later on I will work on I am logging with Gmail. Well, yeah, I'm gonna get that feature going soon, but I gotta do the Google stuff and shit. Let me actually ask the agent here. Once this is done, let me ask the agent here. I don't have the Gmail feature going. No, I hit pull in Replit and it's still not coming into the main. Meta sent a mail yesterday, chat. Meta sent a mail yesterday that the keynote is coming up, but it's in September, chat. I'm thinking like, why the hell are they sending me an email now? All right, Phoenix, the translator. The translator. You got that Gen Z slang. I'm gonna grab myself a snack, chat. Give me a minute. A Nutella candy. Yeah, just join up with your username and email and password. That's the best for now, chat. Actually smart for saying that, Phoenix. Alright, chat, Melly, have a little crunchy breakfast. Both today, I'm putting in the original course content back in, and then I'm updating it with the community aspect. Oh yeah, I'll grab some water in a few. What's up, Austin? We are building the Dollar Vibe Club right now. This is the CoWork Academy of the Future. If you didn't know, now you know. Welcome, Fax. Welcome, Fax. Shout out to that. Nice, Austin. It's fully going to be changed so that it actually becomes a tool. And it's also going to be a mobile app. Chat, I just said it to you guys before. We don't have the most live viewership right now, but we are the fastest growing YouTube channel for vibe coding on the block. I don't care what anybody else says. Yep. Pushing that code. Pushing it right now. Actually, I'm pulling it. Nah, man, it's still not updating in my... Oh, I know the issue, chat. I connected the wrong git. What a loser. That's so dumb. Alright, let me fix that, chat. I'm so dumb. Now I have to go to GitHub and set up a specific key for that, chat. A specific token. Yes. I keep saying it here, Austin, but Replit is my foundation, GitHub is my island, and I have my agents do bugging for me and specific surgical tasks. Like, but give me a moment, chat. I've just loaded in my repository. DVC3. Okay, so I just have to change some things. I'm now making a document, chat, so that my agent knows where to work for the GitHub. Because I was working in the wrong commit, chat. Damn, that's bad. I was working in the wrong commit, chat. Okay, let me add an access token. Nice, nice, nice. Austin, that's the easiest way not to go overboard on tokens, you know what I mean? And it gives you more control about, yeah, detail in chat. Nice, I just taught myself GitHub a week ago. Yeah, Ritesh, I'm about $1,000 to $2,000. I can actually show my Replit account. And this is only Replit, so I got Claude, I got Cursor now. I'm using Manus as well. So I'm up to 2K. This month, $1,500 on Replit so far. All the promotional credits have been used, unfortunately. But that's all good, chat. We got dollars to blow. No problem. Let me go to the fine grain token. Create a new token. Verify my email. Man, those verification codes, chat, I was going on about it last week, man. I wish it wasn't any more verification. I should get everything synced to my bloody fingerprint. Giving it all the rights, chat. Give me a moment. I made a token. It's called a fine grain token on GitHub. And that basically gives your agent full GitHub access. So for someone like me who's never really worked in GitHub, that's a great way to do it. And I trust my agents. I taught them well. They know what to do. And I'll remind them not to share details. Give me a second, chat. I'm not reading the chat yet. Shout out to my agents, man. AKA Reggie, AKA Kush. Generate token. Ritesh, it took me, this is the first time in 40 years that I got my thing, so it was a dream for me as well. But work hard, man, and any dream you can achieve. No cap. Stop the cap. Stop the cap. I found the actual mystery mistake. We were working in the wrong GitHub. You can disconnect from that GitHub version repository and look at the new PDF here. At the bottom you got the Git and the Git pack key. Make sure you implement these last changes to that GitHub. That one's fully synced with the current Replit version. And make sure you don't share any sensitive information, API keys or details from that PDF because we're live streaming right now. Start anything out that's sensitive, and if I need it, I will ask you for it separately. Woo Wednesday, chat. Woo Wednesday. We gotta put Pop Smoke on one time. One time, chat. One time for y'all to wake up. What's up, Tree Drags? Some music. Doing amazing. Clap it up for you. Alright chat, I'm back, sorry. What's up Tree Drags, welcome to the stream. Woo gang, I was making still a mistake in the wrong fucking repository, so now I have to make another pack key chat. On my nuts, man. Oh, I gotta get all this shit automated soon. You gotta get all that shit automated soon, chat. Let me see if we can find that certain repository. So which one is it? $vibe landing. Alright, that should be it. Let me add the permission. Alright, give it right access. Give me a moment, chat. I need some good music for the background, chat. Let me put on the sesh. Alright, let me give it right access and then we'll try one more time. Man, they should put a checkbox that I can do everything read and write at once. Bloody hell.
Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. One puff, another puff, another puff. Going and count it, chat, that's another puff. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. Clean bone, tell me what you want. Whole pound, that'll be enough. We lit, turn you on. Every day of the week, we be smoking strong. Every day of the week, we be smoking strong.
Update it, get details at the bottom. Again, don't share any sensitive information here. What's up, Aries? Don't share any sensitive information here. We are live. And make sure that this is the right Git repository link to the current project we're working on, $vibeclub.com. What's poppin', Aries? What you up to? Tree Drags, what you up to? Another puff, another puff.
Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. One puff, another puff, another puff. Going and count it, chat, that's another puff. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. Clean bone, tell me what you want.
I'm born and raised in Belgium, but I'm living in Thailand right now. Ritesh, where are you from? India? And I say India because Phoenix said my language.
Every day of the week, we be smoking strong. Every day of the week, we be smoking strong.
Nice, nice. Welcome to the stream. How did you find me, Ritesh? What's up, Tap Torn? I'm building the $vibe Club right now. We're coding it with Claude on the side.
We gon' smoke it all, roll the whole bag. Tell them put it out if the smoke's bad. I ain't tripping on nothing. You can hold
Building the Dollar Vibe Club, Taptron. That's gonna be our $1 million project. We want 1 million users on it. We've been working 60 days hard on it. We won crowd favorite prize last 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. So we're excited to get things going, that's for sure. Now finally we get to a time where we're not rushed and we can actually build it from the ground up. I also changed everything from database, everything. Which platform is this? I mean category. Well, it's learning and co-working, Taptron. So if you go to look at our website, you'll see our slogan is learn together, build together and earn together. So it's all about learning and earning, Taptron. Are you into vibe coding, Taptron? Are you doing any vibe coding yourself? Let me run this shell command in Replit chat. Alright, it's committing. Amazing. Take a screenshot. Done. YouTube suggests. Nice, Ritesh. YouTube suggesting well. Are you vibe coding yourself, Ritesh, or what are you doing? Are you student, businessman, vibe coder, just a hobbyist? No, you don't have to be doing it on stream, Taptron. I wasn't doing it on stream before I did YouTube 60 days ago. I was just a businessman for 25 years. So, but anyway, cool. What, you coding anything cool? What's poppin', Andre? Drop a bomb for you, man. Welcome to the stream, Andre. We needed you before for some facts, man, but you weren't here. We were missing you. We had Jacob and I needed someone else. I was being too harsh, let's put it that way. We needed someone to calm down the vibes a bit. With some knowledge, like a one saying, you know what I mean? I've got a $200 plan, Taptron. 20x, baby. Pull it. You don't need to another pull. Why don't I need to pull it into Replit? I always want to pull and publish myself. So what do I do now? What's up, Decoding Echo? Decoding Echo. I'm not sure if I've seen you here before, so let's clap it up for your ass, man. Welcome. You vibe coding out here? You living that vibe code life? The question is, are you Vibemaxxing or vibe coding? Vibe coding on a project which is given by my uncle. And I just graduate seeking for a job. Nice, Ritesh. Alright, Andre, I'll let you know when you need to pop in, man. I'll give you the purge alert. What to do right now. You can absolutely, it's harmless. Alright, let me see if he's saying it. I'm not seeing any commits being updated, so I don't understand what we are doing. The workflow needs to be: my project is deployed in Replit. Everything gets pushed to GitHub. You as Claude connect to GitHub and do the work. Once you're done, I go to Replit manually and hit pull, and then I republish it. That should be the correct workflow. Get that workflow going so that I can test it the first now on this new update. Nice, Echo. What you doing? What startup you running? And what country you watching from, Echo? Potential 12k job on Fiverr. May need to tap you in depending on scope and brief potential. For sure. What kind of project is it, Andre? Is it, and how did you get it? Did Fiverr push it to you, or how did it come about? Is this Claude AI provide local host preview to check? No. Everything's done in Replit, Taptrone. So I use Replit to deploy, publish, and preview. Very nice, Andre. Very nice. Good luck, man. I hope you can bring it in, and if you need me, just let me know, and you can order me on Fiverr, and you can order Phoenix on Fiverr, so whenever, whatever, man. But if I can help, let me know, because I know this is your first order, so if you get this good, you're solid for that account. From India. Recently built a bulletproof vest, tested it, and now building a SaaS software. A bulletproof vest? What does that mean, Echo? You mean like where people shoot you? Recently built a bulletproof vest and now vibe coding. Man, that's two completely different things, chat. A SaaS for farmers is good. You should watch Replit, the video about the farmers. There's a farmer joining and he's doing like drone and vibe coding together. Nice, nice. It's a lot of people of India here today. Nice, you build a bulletproof vest, man. That's crazy. Well, it definitely is bullet and bug proof now. Let's say it like that. Well, Echo, good luck, man. Join the community, join Discord, and if you've got your website ready, I would love to review it, see what you're doing for the farmers. Always interesting to learn. Exactly, instead of, I can use any agent Taptrone, because I always work in GitHub, and every agent can work in GitHub. My agent was having a bit of trouble finding his way on how to get it done, but he's figuring it out now, chat. Hey, Phoenix, don't be getting personal, man.
Another puff. Gonna count and chat, that's another puff. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. One puff, another puff, another puff. Gonna count and chat, that's another puff. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck.
Alright, publishing now. Let's see if he updated the cart somewhat, chat.
Tell me what you want. Whole pound, that'll be enough. We lit, turn you on every day of the week.
Well, my advice is go look at great websites and copy. Copy and improve. No, me personally, no APIs for Facebook or Instagram. Phoenix sneaking up on him. You're gonna have to take him to dinner first, Phoenix. You're gonna have to take homie to dinner first. It's a lifestyle, Ritesh. I've been smoking 25 years, homie. And I smoke ganja, so it's not that bad. ganja, my brother. Don't worry.
It's time to get high as a motherfucker.
Don't you hear the song? I live in Thailand right now. Taptron, how about you?
Roll some good up with wolf top. Keep sending subs, I keep doing push ups.
India as well?
Another puff, another puff. Gonna count
Tell me.
that's another puff. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. One puff, another puff, another puff. Gonna count and chat, that's another puff. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. Clean bone, tell me what you want. Whole pound, that'll be enough. We lit, turn you on. Every day of the week, we be smoking strong. Every day of the week,
I'm living the life in the land of smiles, chat.
every day of the week, we be smoking strong.
The land of smiles. That's what we call Thailand, chat. And it really is the land of smiles.
Come up here and take a rip. Whole zip.
Now I'll visit India one day for sure. I've got a lot of Indian homies in the chat, so I might have to do a little meetup there. You know what I mean, chat?
She gotta drive home. Laughing at everything.
Go chill out in the Taj Mahal type shit. Some tourist vibes.
Leave a cough off the bar when I clear the smoke. I got myself a weed elf when I need help. Send your glass through the bong, sparkle leaf a kush soap. 10 puffs in a row. One puff, another puff, another puff. Gonna count and chat, that's another puff. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck.
Alright, chat. Let's see if he's done. Alright, done. Let's see. This should be updated. Let's see, chat. Oh. Oh. I can live with that. I can live with that. Maybe we should align the picture and the text and the usernames to the left. Yeah, I'll say that. Give it a try to align the picture to the left and the name and the usernames and roll. Nah, Cassie's right here in the stream, no? Cassie, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ah, she ain't in the stream right now, but happy birthday, Cassie. I'll drop it in the Discord for sure. Shout out Cassie, man. She's been grinding as well, chat. Alright, the photo uploader works as well. That's nice. I like this. We're gonna align this left. Can I pull it already? Alright, I can pull it. And publish it one more time. Let's see what it does. Aligning that left. Alright, publishing again, chat. It's slowly because I don't want to make any mistakes, chat, so I really do it bug by bug what I'm trying to look to improve. I like these reacts. Somehow I'm not able to see the other comments from people. So that's the next issue I want to fix. I think on the dashboard on scroll when there's posts, I should be able to see the comments directly linked to that post. Right now I just see that there's comments and participants, but I don't see the content. So just as in Facebook, for example, you can already show the content, make sure the right profile images, the username, all that good stuff. I'm 40 years old, brother. How old are you? Let me put my face on the stream. How old are you, brother? I'm pushing 40. But I feel like 20, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Taptron, usually I'll run a QA test. So I have my agent on the right side of me, and that one just does QA testing all day long and makes reports. Those reports get sent to me, and then I'll go one by one and feed it into my agent. Right now I'm not debugging, I'm actually fixing features and adding stuff. Oh, sorry, man. Sorry, man. I was saying 3 years old, you're a smart 3-year-old. No, I was saying I've had a job in the past, Ritesh, when I was a young guy, but that's when I realized I didn't want to have a job and I wanted to be an entrepreneur and build my own businesses and build businesses with people. And that gave me the most freedom in life. I never really became an entrepreneur for the money, chat. The money was just a byproduct of it. I became an entrepreneur for the freedom and the time to be able to do what I want to do. There's no one that says to me, you got to wake up at 9 a.m. and go to work, you know what I mean? And that's, I would argue, a bigger blessing for me. I'm still in stomach. Taptron. Damn, man, you getting too visual now, homie. Is the AI saying the N-word, chat? Happy birthday, Cassie! Everybody party up for Cassie. Come on. Come on, Cassie. Happy birthday. How old did you turn, Cassie? Although they told me never to ask that to a lady. But how old did you turn? Alright, we should be able to pull it again. Hopefully. Man, the delay is really shitty, chat. I'm gonna try and get the delay done in the next stream. That shit is crazy, man. Wow, you so lucky, Cassie. You so lucky. Take it from a 40-year-old. In your 20s. I wish I got to say that, Cassie. Damn. In your 20s. Damn, I wish I got to say that, chat. Alright, chat. I like this a whole lot more. We're gonna get it going slowly, slowly. We're just building it out visually. Let's get the comments going, the reactions going, and then we'll start making the groups. Bulletproof Fest video. Yeah, I won't play it. I won't play it. I won't play it. No guns, no gambling, no porn. I know the vibes. Yeah, I use Uber all the time and Grab and Bolt. Shout out for being in your 20s, Cassie. I'm gonna drop a bomb again for that, man. You're literally in a position, especially being in your 20s, that means you're a bit older than the young bloods here, around 18 that are in the chat. 18, 20. But you're in the right position to double down on that vibe coding shit. Get yourself a desk set up, get yourself Streamlabs, start vibe coding. Now is the time, chat, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see if he gets the comments going. I want to show these comments out loud, so I'll put a comment here as well. For sure, decoding, send it to in the Discord group. And soon you'll be able to post it in the Dollar Vibe Club in the advice portfolio section. Let's actually make it already, chat. I can make it already. So basically I'll call it the Portfolio Cafe. Let me log out here for a second. Let me log in as admin. I'm gonna see how I can get PR and Phoenix again as teacher and Skilly. What's up, Ian? We still working out here, man. So I can go to the... I can delete this one. It is a bit slow, chat. I have to see how I can get it a bit faster. I do feel it is a bit slow. Dollar Vibe Club. Oh yeah, this is good actually. I just need to change the picture, so let's clear that. Let's log out for a moment. Let's log back in as the user. No, I'm still not seeing it, chat. That's not... I already pulled it. I pulled and republished, but I'm still not seeing it on the dashboard. When I scrolled around, the comments are not showing. Oh, they are showing. Look at that, chat. Nice. Shout out Andre. Let me check that profile. Alright, I should be able to open the thing. Okay, so what you'll notice now on that dashboard is basically we got a wall feed going with posts. Right now I'm feeling that the wall feed is limited to the functionalities, and I want to get it as close as possible as to scrolling on a Facebook wall. So also people that add comments should be able to add videos, for example a YouTube link, maybe pictures, and I feel like instead of like 2 participants, we should see little images, profile circles of the users that have been engaging with it. Just overall, I want to get it more in that Facebook feeling. Also, the React has a different feeling than when you would use it on Facebook. So try to maybe check a Facebook feed first and a Facebook wall first, and get it going. Tell me when I can pull, republish, and then I should see a heavily updated wall on the dashboard for students and vibe coders. And whoever has the wall feed on their dashboard. Alright. Loco, what's up, man? What's my hobbies? My hobby is working and making money, Loco. I enjoy working and making money. That's the only two things I really enjoy, Loco. And just making progress. Building something and see it build and build and build. No, I'm using Superbase, Ritesh. But I figure it's the same, right? That's my hobby. Building businesses, making money, and seeing a project evolve. Kinda like a Pokemon, chat. Only you own it. And in the real world, you owning a business is a very good thing to have. I'm not gonna lie, chat. Oh, we got a big sprint going, chat. I like that. Let's update this wall, man. Let's make it all a bit more sexy. And I should be able to click and enlarge. One of the key things I want to note is that when a user posts a photo or a gallery or a video, we should be able to click it and see it as a pop-up enlarged. Ronaldo, obviously. Ronaldo, Ritesh. What's that for a question even? That's the chat. That's the chat. Absolutely, Ronaldo, chat. Plan locked, 3 pieces. YouTube, embeds, hover. Chat, is he saying the N-word again? Chat, he's playing. Chat, I feel kind of bad that that you guys are delayed, because that kind of gives me a feeling of I can't interact a lot with you guys. It's kind of annoying. Okay, this is working good. Shout out to Cyberman for posting a photo. Alright, let's see what he does here. So, chat, you know the vibes, man. Alright, chat, I'm gonna take a stretcher. I'm gonna put you guys back in mission control for a second. You know, stretch time, hydrate. Let me drink some tea. Let me grab a smoky. Alright, chat, I'll be right back. You guys don't forget to stretch as well if you're sitting on your desk. Come on, doctor's orders. Scientifically proven, chat, better for the health. How you guys snitching on me? Why are you snitching on me, Phoenix? How are you snitching on me? How are you snitching on me that fast? Nah, chat. We good. Let me see. No, I'm not gonna test. Just ship wave 2 so I can pull instantly one time. And be sure to test yourself. Thank you. Don't forget, say thank you to your agents, chat. Skynet is real. I think I read an article a few days ago about Skynet. Skynet is coming for your ass if you don't say thank you. Chill. Do I live alone, chat? That's a question I've never answered, I think. Nah, but for my job, chat, you gotta be in a compound solo. My house is my studio, you know what I mean? My house is my studio. Chat, I'm so annoyed that the latency is so long before your chat message hits me that I might end this stream and come back. I'm thinking. Keeping it all. I'm gonna answer those questions. I'll do a Q&A video one day, chat. I'll let you guys ask a Q&A. And I'll do a Q&A video. Don't streamers do that, chat? Ask me anything you want to ask and I'll see if I answer. Let me get a Q&A video going, chat. I'll be getting a iPhone soon. I'll be getting a GoPro soon. And that's good. I'll make a Q&A video for you motherfuckers. How much weed do I smoke in a day, chat? That's a good question. Q&A 100k. Ho, homie coming with the raps. Q&A on 100k. Fastest growing YouTube channel for vibe coding on the YouTubes right now, chat. I'm not fucking lying, man. Wait, Mysterious Ace. What's up, Camber? Shit's popping off today, Camber. I'm very annoyed, Camber, that the delay in the chat is there. But don't worry. Soon, next stream, I'm gonna fix that. I stopped smoking weed day 17. Mixed sounds. Nice. Well, if it adds value to your life to stop, I would say go for it. And day 17 is impressive because I couldn't even imagine day 7 type shit. I've been smoking my whole life, chat. I just love it. And right now where I live in the land of smiles, it's one of the few countries where it's fully legal. And like legal, you can take that shit on a plane and fly around domestically. Nobody cares, you know what I mean? But shout out Mixed Sounds. Welcome to you, man. I haven't seen you here. I think you're new. What you up to, Camber? You getting that work done? Midweek, no time to sleep, chat. For those who know and who are part of the Dollar Vibe Club, I'm updating the platform as we speak with the stream. We'll be doing that the entire week with some client work in between. And we're actually gonna detail every single part of this platform, chat. I'm not lying. And I want to work on giving you guys a public profile. No, I feel you, Mixed Sounds. Everybody's got their own vices. With me, it does the difference. With me, it keeps me locked in and it keeps me focused and working. But everybody has their own vices and handles it differently. You know what I mean? I've been on the planet long enough to know it's all good. As long as you're not against it and you don't mind that I smoke, we're cool. Mixed, sub up, like the video type shit. And if you're into vibe coding, even cooler. Let's fucking go, chat. What's popping, Chris? Brand new whip just hopped in. Chris. What are you up to, Chris? I'm vibing my life away right now, chat. Everybody who's new here, we are taking the term Vibemaxxing very seriously. I have made a commitment 60 days ago when I started streaming for the first time. I made a commitment that I'll be here every single day for the next 10 months. We already did 2 months, so still 8 more months to go, chat. Drop a fucking W for 8 months, chat. Gonna eat pizza, then vibe code. Let's go, Camber. That's the lifestyle, man. I love that lifestyle. Ordering a pizza. Usually I do that on a Friday night. Go to the supermarket, get all my stash before I start. W is in the fucking chat for 8 months. I'm not stopping, chat. And I'm gonna try and put more hours in the month of June. In the month of June, by then, we should be ready with detailing this. Today, I'm gonna try and get Skilly PR and Phoenix activated with their mentor account. And then we'll take it from there. Alright, so let me just pull this and let's see if it actually did something, chat. So basically, you guys know I always pull it into Replit. He just did it. Wave 1, wave 2. I'll sync the last changes with Replit that I did. And then basically I'll just republish it. And then in a few moments we can test it, chat. We can see if this has been updated, if it looks smoother. It's going to be a very important part of the platform is the feed. To make sure that Easy inspired me on that actually, so that we get the news fresh and daily. And I don't just saddle you up with one PDF or one course that's outdated in 2 months. Alright, I want to check something else. We have a view profile button, so while the app is republishing, I want us to do a few updates. You can push them and then I'll pull it all at once in. And the first update I want to do here is we have public profiles, or at least we are in the process of setting up public profiles for the vibe coders. So a vibe coder should be able to click view profile and they should be taken to the front end. Usually that's $vibeclub.com/ the person's username, and in the near future we will build that page out so that they can send it around the world. That page will be built based on a score, how community votes on their work, how they deliver projects, based on reviews, based on commitment, based on output, what they ship in, based on the Git repository. I'm just getting started, Chris. I'm just getting started, man. I am waiting for GTA 6. That's probably one of the main reasons also, and what I'll be streaming is GTA 6 roleplay. Probably have our own server by then. I am streaming GTA. I am into GTA 6. I'm waiting for it. That's why I want to have our own GTA 5 server, chat. That's why I was looking at Nitrado. But that's for another time. What that profile is, Hexercise. No idea. No idea, Ritesh. AI did that for me. I could ask AI for you. Alright, let's see how the wall is updated. We've got 2 more minutes or a minute more for the republish. The republish is always the longest part in Replit, chat, I ain't gonna lie. And I'm one of those persons that republishes after every bug fix or update or feature add-on. No, I like it. Why? I like it. It's different. It's different, Ritesh. Come on. It's different, Ritesh. Now you can push that. I'll pull it now and then republish it. We'll take it from there. Ah, you'll have to find that, Ritesh. You'll have to find that, homie. Let me know if you can find it. I don't do anything on Instagram though, but let me know if you can find it. Hey Phoenix, stop exposing me, man. I'm gonna have to put a restraining order on your ass. Stop exposing me, boy.
Stop the cap. These nuts.
Phoenix, I'm just playing with my soundboard. I gotta organize that soundboard, chat. Damn, man, when do I have time to do all the stuff that I need to do, chat? Actually, do you think Claude could do that for me, chat? I guess Claude could do my Elgato, right, chat? Almost done. We almost get to check the feed, chat. 30 seconds. Damn, man, that takes forever, chat. Oh, I could do something for them as well here. I could do something for you guys here real quick. I could make sure that you guys can see all the submissions. Alright, let me get this. Alright. Nice. Chill, Ritesh, chill. Chill, boy. I need to get your ass in check, boy. You better relax. You want my social security number, homie? Alright, let me go to the preview. For now, I want the users to be able, logged in as a student or vibe coder, when they click challenges, I don't want them to see the 24-hour challenge anymore. I want them to see all the submission cards, same as the admin sees when the admin clicks submission. They should not be able to delete any, they can only view. Can you set that up for the student and vibe coder, please? Alright, I'm going to make sure you guys can check out the challenges and the submissions. Let's get that going. The wall's looking better. I think if I post a video here. Nice. Instantly posting it as a... Very nice. Let me delete that one. See if I can log in as an admin. All right, how do I see the posts? No, I should be able to delete posts, eh? As an admin, I should be able to see all the posts on the admin dashboard. So maybe we have to add an extra tool button on the left. And that's the global wall, I mean. Or we should just call it posts, and I should be able to see every single post on the website. And I should be able to delete posts as well as an admin. What's up, Marcus? Very productive, Marcus. Very productive today. We're doing good. We're vibe coding. We're working on the Dollar Vibe Club right now. I'm just trying to get the admin to be able to delete posts. Let's see if he gets that done. I gotta do a republish in a few moments, chat. Alright, this one's done. Let me see this agent. Now I'm running in Replit. I'm running some direct bills, chat. So you guys see it here. And that's why, chat, you see I always work left and right in both just to optimize the credit usage. Or when I want to brainstorm about something, I'll usually go to Claude for that. We got 3 more days, chat, to get to the... We got 3 more days to check before we get to June. Alright, Phoenix, I'll do that. Alright, Sajal, I might have to just get you in to design it then. Are you down or what? Is that an invitation to get giddy on it? I would change a few things around, but that's just terminology. But it's looking good. Let me just get this done for today and let's see how I can tap you in. But Phoenix, the thing that I want to get you tapped in on is I want you to be able to work from the GitHub. So that we don't have to burn tokens in Replit, if you know what I mean. What do you think about that? But I like the idea. I will already steal some elements from it. I will definitely steal some elements. I do need that sidebar though, Phoenix. That sidebar that we have here is very important for something coming in the near future. So this needs to be there for sure. And I want to keep the sidebar kind of like this, minimized, minimal. Maybe with an option to pop it out or an option with hover, that we see the names or something, that I'll do. Let me see how Replit's going. What do you mean, Marcus? What kind of tutorial? What's up, Teddy? You know the vibes, man. Just vibing. Just vibing, man. Getting that money and vibing. Get money. All right, let's get it figured out this week. I'm probably gonna have you and Hunter do it once he starts streaming, so that you both can get in and start doing some work. And in the beginning, I won't even mind if you code directly into Replit. Oh well, all right, Marcus. I think I'm not sure if I have one, but I'll make a tutorial video for it rather than do it on stream. Nice, Teddy. I'll check your stream later. Nice, nice, man. Keep going live at least a day. Every single day, man. That's even if it's just 10 minutes or half an hour or 1 hour. Try to go live every day, man. What's up, King Bots? I know that name, chat. I know that name. Well, if it's for a real business, the real Dino, if it's for a real business, I would advise you to get Replit. Because I did a 24-hour stream a couple of days ago, and Replit is the best for commercial projects. It doesn't cost you more than $25 a month. And if you do it my way, you can get started with that $25, then connect your Claude and GitHub, and then it'll almost cost you nothing rather than just hosting it. So my advice would be get in on Replit first. That's my personal advice. You can also go the other route and you can work with Claude alone and then get yourself a Vercel and a Supabase, and that's free in the beginning. But as soon as you start growing, you're gonna need to go pro on those two platforms. So yeah, it's basically better to get Replit right now, in my opinion, for commercial projects. Alright, Phoenix. Alright, Ritesh, see you tomorrow, man. No time, man. You see me when you see me, homie. Nobody puts times on my schedule, homie. I'm just keeping it real. I pop in when I'm starting to work, and I pop off when I'm starting to do some offline work. What's up, PR? Yeah, and I think I just did a little update so that you guys can go see each other's features. So let me test it in a few moments. Once this publishes, you guys should be able to log in and see all the submissions of the buildathon that we did, or the hackathon, or the Vibathon, or the Vibemaxxathon. You know what I mean, chat. Give me a moment, let me see if we did it. Let's get it, chat. Wednesday night, what a vibe. 2 AM out here. So chat is telling me Claude, Next.js, Tailwind, Framer, Sanity, Vercel. Well, I'm telling you, listen, the real Dean, it depends on how good you code. If you know how Next.js works and Tailwind, I don't even know all those names, you know what I mean? I'm a front-end guy and I work with products that make me money right now and not tomorrow. So again, my advice to you is all that together, just go to Replit, $25 a month to get started. And once you've done that and you're in Replit and you got your foundation, you connect it to GitHub. And once you got that, you connect your Claude to GitHub, and you exactly in the best position to be in to launch a serious project, but start slow. But I don't know about Next.js and Tailwind. That's why I work with AI agents, so I don't have to know about all that bullshit. You know what I mean? So I'm just keeping it real with you. That's how I vibe code, the real Dino. If I wanted to go learn Tailwind, Framer and all that BS, then I wouldn't be vibe coding, you know? I feel you, King Bots. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. I read it. Shout out to you, man. I'll be in touch with you soon, King Bots. We'll be in touch. We just gotta get things planned for the month of June, chat. Once the month of June is done, then once the month of June starts, then we can lock in again. It's gonna be an exciting month. Lots on the books, content-wise. I ain't gonna lie, we are the fastest growing vibe coding YouTube channel on the block right now. Nobody else is growing faster than us. We are not the most live stream watched yet, but trust me, chat, you'll see. We're gonna convert. We're gonna convert soon. We got to get the gospel out there, if you know what I mean. The gospel of vibe coding, chat. The gospel of making money now and not wasting time on detailing. Well, if I think you're on the same wave like me, Dino. And that's why I'm advising you to go with Replit. Because you're going to have a result. If you give me a prompt right now, Replit, Dino, I'll show you on stream right now how to do it. Go to Discord, send me a message. Now, you know what? Go to $Vibe Club, log in. I'll show you where to log in. You go to $Vibe Club, you log in, and you post on the wall a short business pitch idea of what you want to post. And you guys should be able to see the challenges now. Oh man, why isn't that working? That's so lame. I wanted to see the submissions, man. Oh man, that's so lame. Oh, here we go. Here we go, chat. You guys can log in and you can see the submissions. There we go. W's in the chat for that. It worked. And now the admin should be able to delete posts. If you give me your business base that you need for the management agency, then I'll do it live on stream for you. And I'll burn some credits of mine and you'll see it. Let me go to the posts. Delete that one. Boom. Okay, so basically I'll log in one more time and show you the real Dino. You come here, you come here. You post the idea here. I want to build a music management agency. Right, and then you write the name and everything. And then I can build it in Replit for you and I can send the Replit project to your Replit so you didn't cost you anything to start. But you got to be a member from the $Vibe Club for me to do that. That's fair enough, right? Alright, that was a bomb, chat. That's great. The post works. The walls updated. You guys can see challenges here now. That's very cool. And this is from the last build day, chat. You guys know it. Alright. Let me know, the real Dino, if you want to do that. If not, I think I'm going to end this stream. Just because I'm on that ultra long latency and it's driving me crazy because I'm talking to you guys, but I'm delayed like 40 seconds, so that's pretty annoying. But shout out to everybody today. Mix Sounds, Ian, Phoenix, Ritesh, Andre, PR, Skilly, Loco, Turaya. Shout out to you guys for being here. Taptrone was a new viewer. Aries, Tree Drags came back here after watching a video. Solid. Shout out to you, Jacob. If you're still here, shout out to you, man. Hope you get locked in. And I'll probably be back later, chat, or tomorrow. I'll see how I'm gonna divide my time right now. But great stream. We got a lot done. Now finally you guys can see the challenges. If you do watch any videos, yeah, I think I'm going Phoenix because I'm annoyed by the delay. It's taking me hard to communicate with you guys. So next stream, if I do come back, I'm thinking if I should come back or not. No, I think I'm gonna get some work done. Alright, Dino. Well, I would love to do it for you on stream, so we can do it either now, if you want, and then I can send it to you in Replit once you have a Replit account. And then I can explain you how to get it on GitHub. And that will be useful for Marcus as well. And then I can show you how I connect Claude to GitHub. And if not, then I'll do it tomorrow and I'll make a video of it, chat. That might be easier. I just don't know if Replit will appreciate me making that video, you know what I mean? Because I'd be cutting in them tokens. For now, I'm still here, chat. I'm still here. I'll have to figure this out. I wonder how my ping is gonna be with a server in Poland. Alright, Ian. Then I might make a full video out of it actually. And I would say, Ian, let me do it here, chat. Look, I'm gonna create a new group. So first, wait before you post. I'm gonna create a new group and I'm gonna call it well, it's not like we're gonna leak something and we're not a super big channel. So I think building on stream and that's all cool. Like we can give a fake name in the meantime, The Real Dino. But I'll make a group in the courses. I'm gonna create a new group now, chat. And then you have to post in that group. And I'm gonna call it How to Replit for Noobs. The tagline is How to Replit for Noobs. The icon will leave for now. Course, it's a classroom. It's beginner friendly. And I'll put a picture here for now. Let me see if I can download one from Phoenix. Give me a moment, chat. Give me a moment. Oh, I've got that image here. The stream is going good, only I'm delayed, Elliot. So I see your guys' stream delayed, so I might stop for today and make sure that the delay is set correctly tomorrow. I'm trying to check. Well, I won't add an image in. I'll just add a random image in now, chat. Don't hate me for it. I haven't got time. I'll just download one here. This course will be all about how to get started in Replit. It will discuss how the Replit is the foundation, how GitHub becomes the work island, and how your agents are able to connect to GitHub based on one briefing document. From that point, Claude does all the work and all you do is pull it into Replit and publish it in Replit. In this course, we will also discuss Supabase as an external database. In that case, you're always able to move off platform if needed. I'll feature this course, create group. Alright, that group's created. Now I'll log in as a user. Whoever comes to this group and goes to courses and posts their business idea, I will build it live on stream for them and send them the project on Replit so that they can take over. I'm gonna join the group now and I'll put a first post here. Tell me about the web app or website that you want to build. Give me a basic rundown on the idea, the features it needs, and I'll get you started and I'll build live in public for you. And then I will transfer the project to your Replit. I will show you everything, how to set up in Replit, how to connect it to GitHub, how to make sure Claude can connect to GitHub, and how to get the latest updates going once Claude's done work. Alright, so you just come here, chat, and you post your idea. And once you post here, I'll start taking your ideas and I'll show you guys that. So this is the group, How to Replit for Noobs, and we'll start getting actual lessons and videos here as well. Actually, I'll go here as well and I'll say what we did for the dashboard is perfect based on the feed wall. Now I need you to update the feed wall. We have left sidebar, right sidebar, keep that, and I'm talking about the groups pages. So the feed that's in the middle on the groups pages needs to work and look the same as the feed on the dashboard. Same features, able to add emojis, able to comment, see the comments, add YouTube videos, all that good stuff. Alright, we'll let him get this done. Let me actually sync this before we get it done. I'm doing that right now, Ian. I was just doing that as you were typing that. So I'm doing that right now. We're gonna get reactions here and everything. And I'll make sure that you get notifications as well soon, Ian. And you can choose, I'll set up email or just notifications on the site. But this will be the group on how to learn everything about Replit, chat. So you come here, you drop your idea, and I'll build it live on stream for you in my account and then transfer it to yours. But not before I show you how to set up everything and create the bridge. And tomorrow I'll make an idea, I'll make a YouTube video on it tomorrow. So please someone drop one idea and then I'll give you a shout out on the stream as well. Alright chat, this delay is really bothering me, so I'm gonna log off. No, I'll let the agent work. When the agent is done, I'll end the stream and then I might be back or I might not be, so we'll see. But anyway, we're all working in the background, so don't let your vibes depend on me solely. But this delay is killing me, chat. And don't forget, I smoked some weed, so the problem is, when I'm smoking weed, I forget what I said 30 seconds ago, you know what I mean? And I'm vibe coding like 3 projects at the same time, so that's why I need that zero latency, chat. Now you're welcome, Dino. The real Dino boy, welcome to the stream, man. Welcome to the community. Thank you for joining the Dollar Vibe Club, for believing in it. And we're gonna build out this platform this week. So if you've got any ideas that could be helpful for you to learn and achieve your goal, let me know, man. Soon we'll also have a tester group, chat, so they can come in and test your project, give you feedback. A dedicated tester group on the Dollar Vibe Club, chat. Let me see if I can get anything to eat out here, chat. I'm kinda hungry. Or I might have to go fasting. I think ever since I went live on the 24-hour stream, chat, that's when the audio fucked up. Man, I would like a big F sandwich. A lot of burgers at this hour, chat. Pasta. I could go for some pasta, to be honest. Pasta carbonara. That shit looking good, chat. Open 24 hours a day, the pasta home. Well, I might have to get myself a pasta, chat, then I'll stay with you guys. I will be doing that actually live on stream for the Dollar Vibe Club. But this is a very particular case because it's the first time I'm using Supabase. But I will be running that very soon, that full debug, Ian, to make it smooth and instant. Let me order some food, chat, and then I'll stay till the food comes. I'll have some bacon on it. I don't want an egg. And I want spaghetti pasta. And I want Parmesan cheese on it. That looks good. And then what are these? Fried chicken wings. Nah, the chicken wings looking whack. French fries and chicken nuggets. I might just take that as a side. Yeah, let's do that, chat. I'm gonna run it. 300 baht. Well, it's 100% possible, Dino. How old are you, Dino? You mind telling it? What's up, JC? What's up, homie? Welcome. Let me order this food, chat, and then I can stay at half an hour while they're delivering that shit. Oh, 45 minutes. That's all good. 500 baht. So cheap, chat. At 2 a.m. in the night, they be delivering that shit. Boom. Order, chat. Priority delivery, always. Let's get it. Man, what a life we live, chat. Food comes to the doorstep. I'm so blessed. Thank you, chat. Ah, well, thank you, universe. The chat ain't paying me yet. Alright, 2 members joined. Great. Nice, nice. Let him work on the smart touch. Alright, let me pull it. So you see, chat, now Claude did the work. I just hit pull. Wait 2 minutes or 1 second and it will pop here. Boom. Claude. Via Claude. It says here in the Git. And then we go to preview. No, we go to publish. And we publish that shit. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, you need that. Very important. You need that because you need money in the bank for the visa for sure. I won't put too much of my business out there, but if you've done your research, I'm on a DTV. And I'm set now for the next couple of years. So I'm blessed for that as well, chat. And little Dean, trust me, I only did it. I only left Belgium when I was 36. So you're still early. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Work hard. And my opinion to you, Dean, is build an online portfolio. Get yourself a profile on Fiverr.com or Upwork and build yourself a profile and a portfolio. That has been my biggest blessing for getting all the paperwork done because that's legitimate income. And that qualifies as a full freelancer. So if you want the blueprint to get that all sorted, trust me. I've been doing it 4 years. At 4.5 years, I live here now, going on 5, if not longer. Actually, longer, 5.5, because 5. I left 2021. So you're right on time, man. But you got to get that money up, chat. You got to get that money up. I'm not sure what that last part means from the smart touch. And all I have to do is pull and republish, right? $100%. I'm gonna do a freelance Friday this coming Friday, Ian. So basically for that, you go to the Fiverr group and you drop your profile. You just drop your profile in the Fiverr group. Sorry that it's so slow, chat. I will work on that. You see, there's way more members in the Fiverr. Well, we just launched the Replit one, but go to the group and you'll see. I do have a website and was building AI receptionist and SEO Geo, but I enjoy building websites, so may flip it. Well, that's why I say the problem is if you just have a company, unless you have a company and you do it all VAT in your country, but you're gonna need to show that you have a sustainable income, Din, especially for what you want to do in the near future or in the far future. But I'm saying to you, my advice for whoever wants to make money is sell your business and your skills as a service first, and then start building your dream. like the AI receptionist and that stuff, that is good, but first focus on money in. A business is not a business if money isn't coming in, chat. And I know it sounds hard. I haven't invented that saying. Other smart people have said it. So I'm just saying to you to keep it real. And what country are you from, Dino boy? Can I ask you that? Let me see where my pasta at, boys and girls. Well, PR, it really depends how you like to live, you know what I mean? Let's say you can start at $500 a month and you can go up to 2K a month. So, well, Dean, if you're in the UK, I would definitely get locked in on Fiverr. That's a great region to have. People love ordering from UK sellers, and if you're good at what you do, trust me, man. That's why you don't need anything. All you need is Fiverr to get started, and it's all legit. And then once you get money on Fiverr, you can turn it into a limited. But I'm telling you, you don't even need a limited once you're on Fiverr. But just follow along. Fiverr is something I believe in. My nephew is going to do Fiverr streams next week. He's 18 years old. He's just started his Fiverr journey like a year ago. He's been working with me and being mentored by me for the last 4 years. And he's already killing it on Fiverr. So I know the blueprint is there. And I know the blueprint is possible. And that's the best way. Because if you want to get that freelancer status, you better really be a freelancer. I'll tell you that. But who knows? The law changes every year, chat. Changes every year. Alright, let me check the groups. Let me see if he updated it. How to Replit for noobs. No, that still looks kind of the same and I'm not able to comment. No, that feed still looks the same. I'm not able to comment on other people's posts. I can't add YouTube links. I don't see the emojis, hashtags, all that stuff. It should really be the same feed input style as the dashboard. It's just a feed and each group, classroom has their own feeds. Do you understand that? Before you start working, let me know if you clearly understand what we're trying to achieve. Man, don't pass out in the showers, man. Also, yesterday I thought I was gonna die. I passed out in the shower. Don't pass out in the showers, man. Dropping the soap is one thing, but passing out is a completely different thing, man. You gotta fight harder, Phoenix, for sure. But trust me when I tell you, I see good fortune coming for your profile. Well, Jacob, I don't know what's going on in your life that's causing you that stress, but again, man, I would urge you to watch this video time and time again. If you don't watch this, like Napoleon, you need to watch the Napoleon Hill, the long version. So I'll go to filters. I want the long version. And you need to understand that if you can change the mind, you control everything. This is the one you need to watch. I would watch it with you on stream, chat, but I would get banned. But Jacob, man, I'm telling you, man, tap into this. The biggest mistake people make is not controlling the mindset. And especially the youngsters. So if you passing out in pools, something's wrong, homie. And it might, maybe it might be medical, so I can't judge about that. But the way I'm hearing it, I think you've got stress. And stress is being caused by, you know what I said earlier. Let me run this Git. I feel you, Dino. Well, hard work, you'll get there. It's not impossible, I tell you. When I was 36, a year before, I had no idea. 35, I thought it would have been impossible. But trust me when I tell you. Yeah, you should be watching this video every single day, man. That Napoleon Hill is the G of all G's. Napoleon Hill, shout out Shawan, man. Oh, maybe I didn't refresh chat. Man, shout out to Ian coming in clutch. Oh, I would have pushed it. Boom, shout out to Ian, man. Nice. Shout out to Ian, man. Let's fucking go, chat. Alright, so that's working. Let me see where my pasta's at, chat. 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Now that video, chat, I watched this video when I was 26. I found this video. And I've been watching this video almost weekly. 2-3 times a week. In my head, whatever I'm doing, I'm always listening to this. And I'll skip chapters depending on what chapters I need for that week. But this is the secret. This is the walkthrough guide and hack codes for life, chat. This really is. Yeah, we're completely updating that shit. We're taking it to the next level, Jacob. It's going to become an actual social learning platform and CoWork area. So we've got some things planned with it. We're working, building it on stream live with you guys this week, so. Cuba, he's alive, man. He almost died yesterday at the pool. I'm not joking about it, Jacob, but I'm just telling the truth. But he alive, PR. I actually want to see how many members claimed their account, chat. Because I have to send out an email to the people. I messed up. It's working like a charm. It's looking perfect. That's what I thought. No. He drank water separately. But I just told him, PR. Dropping the soap is one thing, but don't be fainting out there, man. Cartoon! No, I chose not to monetize it yet, Cartoon. I think I already have the live chat and now it's reviewing me for advertising. 127 still need to claim their account. Alright, so I'm going to double check here. Right now, 127 users still need to claim their account. I would like to set up, when I click that I get a new screen where I see a email that we can send out to them to remind them to claim their new account on the updated Dollar Vibe Club. I want to see how the email looks first. I want to brand it with our logo and colors and all that good stuff, with a button that they can go to the login page. But shit, what did I want to say? I don't want it to send yet. I want you to allow me first to check it, and then at the bottom of that page there should be a send now to all 127 unclaimed users, and then it should make sure that it sends in batches via our resend API. The routes are set, everything should be working, but it should not overload the server. You think you can get that going for me? Well, if it wasn't water, you were about to get 100k subs. No doubt, Jacob. Mid-June. YouTube button. I know, PR, and I'm thinking where I'm going to let it ship to Belgium. to my nephew's house probably. I'll let him just ship it to his house. I've always wanted to have one as well, PR. I used to grow up on watching vloggers, and to think that I'll be getting a silver play button is literally mind-blowing. Nah. I'll get it for the community, chat. I'll get it for the community. I'm on the $200 plan. I would say I'm on the big boy plan. Email copy. Shout out to you, Quester. Make sure you don't get banned or scammed. 72,800, chat. Let's fucking get it, man. We are the fastest vibe code growing channel out there right now. We are not the most live viewed channel right now, but we're coming for that position very soon, chat. June's gonna be a month all about the viewer. Competitions, challenges, weekly. Mark my words, baby. But right now we're the fastest growing channel. When I started 60 days ago, I had a few co-vibe coders in my radar. And you obviously need a point to aim at to know where do I want to get past. And right now we're about to shoot past the first target, chat. So let's fucking get it. Vibemaxxing every single fucking day, man. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give away 4 Claude plans, $200 for 1 month. Divide it over 4 weeks. Chat, my nephew just sent me a message. You see he's working in the background, setting up his stream. We are going to together talk about fine-tuning it, putting floating things on it. He will be working under the same brand, and he'll be working on Fiverr, Dollar Vibe Club. Look at this setup, chat. Let's fucking go. Mac Mini on the table, chat. Fucking G, man. Homie way bigger than me, though. What's that red behind you? Oh, that's a chair, I think. Alright, very nice. Triple kill, man. Man, that's what makes me proud, chat, is to see my nephew working hard. Nah, the cameras are good right now. This is amazing to start. And I'm actually curious to see how you got that fisheye. That fisheye vibe, man. I like that a lot. This is perfect. This is really perfect. Let's fucking go, chat. The youth is taking over. The youth is coming. Starting 1 June. He's gonna be supporting. I'm gonna be supporting. As soon as he's live for 30 days straight, chat, I'm gonna do a collab with him on my channel. But he has to be consistent for 30 days. But I'm very proud. Shout out to you, Skilly. Drop some bombs for you, man. You gonna get that money. Manifest that shit. June will be the month where I don't see Tommy anymore. The time where I'll be hiding in an underground bunker with 5 oil boxes and 5 ladyboys. Well, trust me, Jacob, if you check my stream, I'll be here. Yep, he's Skilly. Skilly boy. Nah, the stream looks amazing, Skilly. We got to fine-tune a few things, but your apartment backdrop looks amazing as well. I've seen your apartment in real life, but that's like 8 months ago. But let's fucking go, man. I think you need a whiteboard behind you soon, Skilly. But we'll see about that. For now, maybe even just a neon sign, man. I'll phone Tony LC, man. We'll get you a custom DVC sign. Exactly, Jacob. Exactly. Less complaining, more doing. Skilly never complains, chat. Even though sometimes you guys hear me talk to Jacob today. Skilly sometimes gets that, but he doesn't take it personal. He just locks in and he tries to show me that it's possible. And that's it. Try to prove me wrong every time, man. Lock in, chat. Very proud of him, chat. Alright, I'll cut about that. We're gonna send out these emails to these 127 unclaimed, man, before they miss out on what's coming. These motherfuckers don't know what's coming yet. And matter of fact, let me make a few courses now. Create group. New group. How to MCP for how to build MCP. Just how to MCP for noobs. Soon I'll put the teachers tagged into it, but that way I can tag you already to a course. Let me download your image. You run that classroom, or at least you will run that classroom. I got your course ready. I'm gonna put your course back on it, but also connect AI to it. How to PR, how to Skilly, yeah. And then I'll just copy your text. I just gotta get it speeded up, chat. What you guys saying? We gonna get you one, man. Skilly, we gonna get you one. Because you now got an address where you can ship everything to. I'll probably put my shipping shit to you as well, Skilly. So you'll probably receive that play button for me. But it's a team effort. You know you've been supporting me and I've been supporting you for the last 4 or 5 years. So it's all good. Alright, the next group is up, chat. How to MCP for noobs. Start joining it. More coming soon. The next one is how to web design for noobs. Classroom's coming in strong, chat. Classroom's coming in strong. I'll get the photos all done. Oh, let me check my pasta, chat. Homie's on the way, I think. Let me give him a nice tip. Boom, he's already driving. Nice. Bless, chat. That's the beauty about Thailand, man. It never sleeps. This fucking city never sleeps. Let's get it, chat. What's the next course? Let me check the next course. Give me a moment. How to Claude and how to Obsidian. How to Claude CoWork. How to build in public. How to Claude Code. Well, Claude Code, Claude CoWork, kind of the same, but not really, but I feel you. Right now it's 2:30 AM, chat. 2:30 AM and they bring me a fresh pasta carbonara, some fries and some chicken nuggets. You know the fucking vibes, chat. What a life we live, chat. I'm truly blessed. I hope everybody gets to that blessed position. I know some of you guys are already in chat. I know some of you guys are still figuring it out. But I'm telling you, chat, being fulfilled is a great feeling, man. I ain't gonna lie, it's hard work though. Oh, McGregor's fighting this week, chat. Conor McGregor's fighting this week. Drop some W's if you know about Conor McGregor. That's crazy. Is he done with the emails? Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, pull it. Alright, publish it. And then now let's add the next course. And the next course is how to Claude. And then we'll discuss Claude CoWork. Phoenix, if you are in the chat, the ones that I don't have a video, a picture for, those are the ones that I still need a thumbnail for, type 5. So whenever you get time, if you're around. Skilly, can you drop a W if you agree with me that 3 monitors is better than 1? Right, it's completely different, right? No cap. Let me build the next classroom. How to Obsidian. How to AI brain. PR, we're gonna put your brain behind this course. We'll talk about it very soon. It's on my to-do list at the top. More info on this soon. Shout out to you, Phoenix. You just check the courses, the ones where I don't have screen for, and always try to do it in the format of the how-to boom boom for noobs. And then whoever's teaching the course, their picture. Skilly, you definitely should get a course going as well, man. That's going to give you some content for the stream also. How to GitHub for noobs. This will teach you about a connection, setting up a connection between Vibe coded tools and GitHub. GitHub is considered the island so that your agents can come in externally and get work done. Oh, sorry boss, I'm back. Sorry for that. I had a little spit in. I was saying W from Skilly. He knows that 3 screens is the vibe. Note it on the course, so you let me know. And then I just set up the how to AI agent for noobs. And I think we've got a few classrooms going now, man. And let's find some teachers soon. I'm probably gonna ask Elliot if he wants to be a teacher. And we'll call it how to AI voice for noobs. I'll probably also ask Sans if she would like to join, because she's got some technical skill that's hidden, chat. She's got some technical skill that's hidden. Anyway, looks amazing. Let me change this one. Make you, oh, I thought you said a Fiverr teacher, but you said a 5M teacher. Well, right now the 5M is just more for us streamers, Quant. It's more for us streamers. So no, I don't think that's a good valid for the course right now. But we'll talk soon. We'll talk soon. I thought you said make me a Fiverr teacher. I was like, bruh, stop the cap.
Stop the cap.
Alright, we got a bunch of courses going now. I'm gonna see how I can make you a... So this is done. Let me republish this, and then I'm gonna see how I can make you guys moderators and teachers. And that way, chat, when I use these classrooms during streams, people who have access, they'll always be able to go back and constantly get information that we're just doing on the go. Like how to web design for noobs. That's a good one. Web design always starts with a concept. Paste your first concept in no more than 5 sentences. Then soon I'll launch the next parts to this course, but it all starts with an idea. Fucking hell, is here, chat.
No fighting. Oi!
Oi!
No fighting. No fucking fighting. No fighting. No fucking fighting!
Welcome to the stream, user. You're late today. I've got some pasta coming on the way. What's up, Desi Creator? You're definitely a new name, so welcome to the stream. Ja God, brother. Ja Livin. Are you a Rastafari, my brother? Ja Livin, my brother. Welcome to the stream, Desi. I like the name, Desi AI Creator. I'm very curious what you're creating. Let's fucking go, chat. How to web design for noobs. Alright, is it pulled? Can I send the email? All good, all good. What are you building, Desi? Or what are you creating? Tell me about it. How long are we? Alright, about 10 minutes, chat, and the pasta boy will be here. That's good. At least we got a lot done today. You guys can see the challenges. You guys can visit the new classrooms. We've got a few hangouts for now. I might make even a diversification between a hangout group and a business group, because this is more of a business group. But I'll think about that. I'll see. Oh, I'll call it CoWork, actually. CoWork room. Ja living, boys. Ja living. Don't worry, chat. I still have the old Dollar Vibe Club here. So I'm grabbing all the info. I'm grabbing the entire course info and all that good stuff. But this is getting decommissioned soon. But I'm taking over all the features, chat. We've got the globe that we still sometimes look at myself. I have to make a new globe, but I'm going to leave that up to Phoenix because he's got more tight design skills than me right now, chat. I'm gonna get you fully connected via GitHub, Phoenix. And I trust you at this point. I feel like you're an OG homie. So we'll get it done. Alright, let me see if the emails is working, chat. Let me refresh this shit. Jacob, I have a question for you, Jacob. A simple yes or no question. If I do get a Nitrado server, will you be able to help me or not? That's an honest question, homie. If I do get a Nitrado server, will you be able to help me? Alright, we get to see the email that's been sent to the people. Alright, so here we're gonna change things. It's starting to look good, but I need the email way more styled. I need our logo there, our logo from the landing page. I need a bit of a clear styling, a bit of a vibe in the email. Now it's just too blank. Let him work on that email. Alright, come on. Then I'm probably gonna get a Nitrado because I'm gonna run Zomboid myself. But we'll get a Nitrado server for the European region. And we'll have to test how hard the lag is for me. So I'll get it here for you guys in London. Probably not London, probably Germany or something, Frankfurt. So I'll get it in Frankfurt, chat, and I'll see how bad of a ping it is for me. But I'll probably be the main player, so I need a good ping, you know what I mean? But let's start with a Zomboid soon. I've got a Zomboid thumbnail ready. Phoenix did a great job on that, chat, I'll show you. This is the Zomboid stream pick. Whoever plays Zomboid, let me know, because I'm down to survive the apocalypse with you guys on a Friday night or Sunday night. That's been amazing stream content. Yes, Phoenix, I will. I will. Let me get it going. I am getting dinner delivered at any time soon, Phoenix. But I'll create the course already. Let me create the course. And you can paste all your course information there for sure. Let me be fast so that I can do it before my food lands, chat. I'm doing it fast. I'm doing it fast. Boom. The group's created, Phoenix, and I'll get you on it as a teacher. Alright, chat, we've got 5 minutes and the food's coming. So the courses are ready. Go tap in the courses that you're interested. They will be built out over the week. Live on stream. Bring it back. It's coming back. It's coming back. Alright, chat, I'm going to log off stream because my pasta's right around the corner, man. I can't wait to eat. Chat, it's been a banger today. OG chatters in the stream, appreciate you. Next stream, no delays in the chat so I can get interactive with you instantly, chat. W's in the chat for you guys. You know what I say on the stream, and I'll say it again. Peace on the streets. Keep vibe code.